Okay, here we go. I'm about wrapping it up with my hour here of exercise. Just stopping on this incredibly hard bike. And I know what you're saying. A whole 2 liters of pop. And how are you going to lose any weight, you fat bastards, right? Well, it's not about that. This is a science experiment of whether the freeze works or not. I'm not going to do anything different. I'm not going to kid you. I'm not going to go on some diet. Now, why am I doing this with the exercise? Because it's jiggling the fat. So I'm done with that. And I've strapped myself. Once again, this is the 4th time I've strapped myself with the eye. So you can see the nice strap here. It's around the tummy. Now, it's time for the big reveal. Oh, that is cold. So there's the pack of ice. This time, I actually used ice cubes because I wanted to get the temperature a little colder. I don't know why. I'm crazy. I'm going to take a look at it before. Whoa. I wanted a little bit, a little colder because I saw on some videos of the fat freeze away stuff when they're done with their little treatment, they look like crap. It's all red and looks blistery and stuff. It looks painful. Well, mine, not so bad, right? A little bit red. But anyway, so that's what I did. And the moment of truth, of course, has it worked at all? Well, I've noticed a little bit of slope on the stomach. Now, we actually have to prove that with the measuring stick. Now, let's see here. I've gotten around the midsection here, and it reads, what does that say? I can't really see that. I'm going to pinch it. 47 inches. So, what were we at last time? 47. Wasn't I 48 last time? I don't know. Maybe lost an inch. But I can see a little bit of a slope. I know you can't. But there does start to be a slope on that tummy going downward. It's a little bit of a slope. So again, my 4th treatment of this, putting the ice pack on there. Remember, don't go more than an hour, otherwise you're going to give yourself some damage. Does it feel weird? Yeah, it feels very numb right now, and it's going to stay numb consistently for about probably 45 to an hour. Now, the moment of truth, of course, is the scale. Have I crapped any of that stuff out? Well, let's see. Going over here to the scale. Remember, I was at my all-time low last time, which was... it's a little dark over here on the scale because I don't like to look at the numbers, but I was at the all-time low, or let's call it all-time high, of 200 and, what was it, 271, something like that. All right, what are we at? Oh, it turned off, so let's go back on there. And, all right. So 276, you fat bastards, you gained. So I've gained. I put on a stone or 2 with my freeze technique. That's okay because it's not about losing any weight. Remember, I've been working out on that bike as my scientific son explained to me today, as you work out, you actually make muscle. And so those legs are getting stronger. That's the problem. That's the offset. What is proving it is my tummy less? And last time, I don't know if you recall, but 48 to 47, I've lost 1 whole inch. So there it goes. Have I proven it yet? No, this is only the 4th time. Hopefully next time I don't embarrass myself, because this is an all-time high, I'll tell you what. And I'm not eating anymore or anything like that. So either this thing's putting weight on me or I'm gaining some of this. We'll see you next time. I know this works. It's just gotta work. I'm desperate. All right, we'll see you next episode.